Today, we are going to be using what is arguably one of the biggest image sharing and social media service in the world to make money online. All you really have to do is post pictures for 7 days and earn $600. As of July of 2022, this particular platform averaged 979 million monthly visitors, with a majority from the United States. Just before you click off, I want to assure you that this platform and opportunity is not limited to USA alone, but is available everywhere in the world. With one simple click, you could earn as high as $20. Yeah, you heard that right, it will only take one single click. Oh, and clicks in this case are not limited to a computer or laptop. The platform we're going to be using is also very available as an app on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. In this video, I'll walk you through every single detail on the secret way thousands of people use this popular app to post pictures for 7 days and earn $600.
About a year ago, Olivia was seated where you are right now on the other side of that screen. No skill, no job, no degree, just a phone in her hand. And then she realized that was all she needed. Fast forward to today, I'm going to be teaching you just how you too can easily make money online like Olivia, or should I say, make money Olivia. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can be the very first to watch every new update I have for you on how to make money online. It's one thing to learn how to earn money online and another to start taking action. Go ahead and leave a like on this video so you can always come back to rewatch some of my exact steps when you begin your journey. You can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinions about the video. Now, let's make some money.
We're going to be using two platforms for today's method, and the first one is OfferVault. Let me begin by showing you the potential payout rate on this website. You can see that different offers will pay you different amounts of money, some even going up to $600. I'll make the explanation for you so simple that you can make your first $100 with just 5 clicks. The first step that we do once we're on the homepage of the OfferVault website is to search for gift card. This will show you all the offer relating to gift cards. Scrolling down, you'll see the offer name and offer rate. You can immediately see so many offers at $38 and $30 on the first page. There are hundreds of offers that you can use to make money online using OfferVault, but I'm going to save you a lot of time and only tell you about the absolute best. Now let's take a look at this particular offer, 500 Amazon gift card sweepstakes. There are hundreds of different offers that you can see on its official website. Also, you don't need to create any websites because it's all pre-made and all done for you. What's going to happen is that whenever someone clicks on your link, they will be redirected to the offer's official website. If they fill up the form with some other details, like name, address, and so on, and then click on the next button, it will be counted as a lead. And you have instantly earned your first $20 with just one click. Don't worry, we'd soon get to the point where all you'd have to do is post pictures for 7 days and earn $600. What's cool about OfferVault and the CPA marketing is that you don't do hard selling. Just grab one single link and get people to click on them. And for every single click, there comes your $20. This all looks fun and simple, right? Only thing standing in your way of a daily life-changing income is getting a ton of people to click your link. Remember that image sharing app I told you about earlier? Yeah, that one with over 979 million monthly visitors. I'm going to show exactly how just 0.5% of its users secretly do to make money on it.
If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on.
This amazing website is called Pinterest. In just a minute, I'll show you how to sign up, but for now, let me show you some examples. On the homepage of Pinterest, you can see a lot of Amazon gift cards when you search for them. There are so many people who share Amazon gift card pictures for free. When you click on the picture, you'll be routed to a page where you can see a link. So I click the link here, the person who posted it will earn money. So many people have used this strategy, and they are getting a lot of people to click on their link on Pinterest. You can do it too by starting to post pictures for 7 days and earn $600. What they do exactly is put a picture that simply shows an image like the Amazon gift card, put a title, a description, and of course their link. That link could just be an OfferVault link. When someone clicks the link and gets routed to a page where they need to fill up some details and then goes ahead to proceed to get gift card, the original picture poster would get a little gift of his or her own. If you are thinking about how to create those images, don't worry too much. I'll show you how, and where to get all of this done easily and for free. I'll show you everything on how to get a free picture and post on Pinterest. Let's proceed on how to sign up and create your free account on Pinterest. First, navigate over to Pinterest.com. As I said, people post their pictures on this website, and they can share them with everyone. You can sign up using your email address, create a password, add your age, and then continue signing up. This is 100% free and it's available worldwide. Once you're logged into your Pinterest account, you're gonna see on your dashboard an array of different recommendations of photos and images. For you to put a photo, click on Create a New Pin, and it will bring you to a page where you can drag or upload your image. After successfully uploading your image, you can now input a title. For example, win a $500 Amazon gift card. The most important part, of course, is to put your offer vault link, so people will be able to see it and then click on it. Did you know that every month, thousands of people on Pinterest search for Amazon gift cards? Odds are they will eventually find your images. The more images you upload and pins you create, the more people would be able to see them and click on your link. Every single day, hundreds of people will see your image and might just go ahead to click on your link. I recommend uploading vigorously for 7 days straight, post pictures for 7 days, and earn $600. Although, in truth, only some people might go ahead to fill up the form, while others may not. It remains a really great way to earn, because there's no selling involved, and they, the clickers, don't need to buy anything. It's really just simply fill up the form on the routed page of the link. Let's quickly move on to how to get free images using Google. Go to google.com and click on Images, then go ahead to type in the keyword, free Amazon gift card. You'll see so many images that you can download on your laptop or your smartphone device. You can re-upload the image that you downloaded on your Pinterest account, but of course, you can't just simply copy the image from other people because it's copyrighted and that's illegal. What I would want you to do is go to Settings, and then go to Advanced Search, and you'll be routed to a page on that page. Scroll down to the very bottom and look for usage rights. Change it from all to Creative Commons licenses. This means that you are legally sharing, reusing, and downloading the images for free. Now you'll see all the images that are allowed to be downloaded, shared, and reused. Select an image that shows licensable. Then you can download it now on your smartphone or computer. You now have the image, then you can proceed to uploading it on your Pinterest account. Don't forget your title and description, together with the image that you uploaded and the link. You can repeat these steps over and over again, using different images that you can find